Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox renders. We will cover the entire process, from exporting your models to achieving a polished final image. Understanding rendering techniques can significantly elevate your Roblox creations, making them stand out. You will learn about essential software, key steps, and valuable tips to produce professional-grade visuals. This guide aims to help you master the art of Roblox rendering, boosting your creative output. To begin your rendering journey, you will need a few key tools. First, Roblox Studio is where you will create and export your models, typically as an OBJ file. Next, Blender, a powerful and free three-dimensional modeling software, is essential for setting up your scene, lighting, and materials. Finally, image editing software like Photoshop can add those crucial finishing touches, enhancing colors and details for a truly professional look. The rendering workflow involves several important steps. First, export your model from Roblox Studio, making sure all components are properly grouped. Then, import this model into Blender. Here, you will set up your scene, carefully placing lights and positioning your camera for the best angle. Next, apply various materials and textures to give your model a realistic and detailed look. Finally, adjust your render settings, often using the Cycles or Eevee engine, to achieve your desired visual quality. To truly elevate your renders, focus on enhancing their quality. Experiment with diverse lighting setups. A three-point lighting system, for instance, can provide balanced and professional illumination. Always use high-resolution textures to ensure crisp, detailed surfaces on your models. After rendering, take your image into an editor for post-processing. Adjusting colors, contrast, and adding subtle effects can significantly improve the overall visual appeal, making your Roblox creations truly shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.